Are you looking for red-hot and ready low-carb red snacks? Hey, welcome back to the channel Health Sabs. Feeling the burn from those low-carb goals, but craving a snack that won't derail your progress? Today, we're exploring the world of red-hot, low-carb snacks. These vibrant beauties aren't just visually stunning, they're packed with nutrients to keep you feeling full and satisfied while staying low-carb. The low-carb magic of red. Many red fruits and vegetables are naturally lower in carbohydrates than their sweeter counterparts. This makes them perfect for low-carb and keto diets. They're also high in fiber, which keeps you feeling fuller for longer and helps manage cravings. Plus, some red veggies offer a surprising amount of vitamin C, essential for a healthy immune system. But be mindful. Some red fruits can be higher in sugar. We'll focus on some low-carb heroes today. Red snack ideas for low-carb weight loss. Spicy deviled eggs. Ditch the mayo. Fill your hard-boiled eggs with a creamy avocado mash, a sprinkle of paprika, and a dash of hot sauce for a satisfying and protein-packed snack. Red pepper nachos with cauliflower tortillas. Craving nachos? Swap out the high-carb tortillas for pre-made cauliflower tortillas. Top with sliced red bell peppers, shredded cheese, and a dollop of Greek yogurt for a low-carb twist on a classic. Strawberry and spinach salad with almond sliver dressing. This light and refreshing salad is a perfect summer snack. Combine fresh strawberries, spinach leaves, and toasted almonds. Top it off with a homemade dressing made with olive oil, lemon juice, and a touch of Dijon mustard. Pro tip: spice up your life. Don't be afraid of spices. Adding a sprinkle of chili flakes, cayenne pepper, or even black pepper can boost your metabolism and add an exciting flavor kick to your snacks. Remember, low-carb doesn't have to be boring. Here's a quick checklist to help you create delicious and satisfying low-carb red snacks. Focus on low-carb veggies. Red bell peppers, tomatoes, radishes, and celery are all excellent choices. Pair with healthy fats. Avocado, nuts, and seeds provide healthy fats that keep you full and add flavor. Don't forget the protein. Include some protein in your snack, like cheese, hard-boiled eggs, or even a small serving of cooked chicken or fish. Get creative with herbs and spices. Experiment with different flavor combinations to keep your taste buds happy. Let me know in the comments below which of these snacks you're most excited to try.